Why can't you just leave me alone? I'm sick and tired of you. Why are you to get on my life? You're ruining my life. Do you see just how elegantly I'm sitting in this bucket? Okay, so people say, like, I'm a clingy cat, but I just don't see it.
Oh, close the door. I just need 5 more minutes.
Excuse me, sir, can I have your attention for a moment?
You're adopted.
I'll get him. Whoa.
I just appreciate being close to you.
You're always drinking this stuff. Can I try a little sip? It's not bad.
I need the Xbox on, please. Thank you.